there are 4 to 5 stages that my video went through before it gets published on YouTube and you watch it. And this video today, I'm going to teach you step by step how my video goes to, what my video goes to, the procedure that my video goes through in order to get best result and publish them and upload them on YouTube. And without wasting our time, let's get right into the video. And the very first stage that I'm going to tell you about is the what we call recording stage. As you can see now, I have my ring light, I have my my video, I set it here, I have my background, and boom, I start talking. I tell people what my video is all about. So the second step is video editing. So the app that I'm going to using is called InShot. That is the app that I'm using, and I'm in love with the app very well. And right now I'm going to head back to InShot and show you how I edit, color grade my video before uploading it. And guys, this is InShot, and here we are on InShot. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we are going to bring that our video here and do the color grading. And after the color grading, we move back to the next step. So, and in order to bring my video here, I will click on this one. That one says video, and when I press video, I will look for the video that I am looking for, and I will press it, and which is the one here. See, look at it, which is the one here. So when I pick this, I will come here. I'll come here and I'll press OK. And I'll press OK, and boom, my video is here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this watermark. This watermark, that is this InShot watermark, I'm going to remove it. And when I'm going to remove it, I will click on this X and I'll click on remove, free remove, and I will wait that thing to load. Boom, that thing has been that thing has been removed. And the next step I'm going to is color grading. So color grading now, I'll come to my now color grading now, sorry. So now color grading now, I will come to filter. So under filter, I will come to adjust. You can see I'll come to adjust, and under adjust, the first thing I'm going to do is lightning. Sorry. The first thing I'm going to do is lightning. Look at this, lightness. So I'm going to reduce this lightness. I'll bring it back to 30 or 25. Let me use 25. I normally use 30 if I use my full ring light. So I normally use 30. Now, the next one I'm going to do is I'll come contract. That contract, I will increase it to maybe 9. Let me put it 9. So another one, let me put it 9. So another one is called warm. So this is where I will increase it to 9 also. Another one we have is called saturation. Those are the things that I'm using. So you increase that saturation also to 9. And another one we are going to use is called sharpen. So this will help me sharpen the video well. I can, if you want, but this 100 will be too much. So you can use 50, you can use 60. So I normally use 60 for my video. And if I play the video, I'm going to erase everything back so you see how I record now video. So look at the main video here. Look at the main video here. That we are going to talk. You see the main video. It's called see the color grading. See the
As you can see the color grading after the editing. You can see the way the video look like it look professional. So this is what we call color grading.
And guys,
the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to watch the video from very to end, and I will watch it thoroughly,
and I will
make sure that there's no mistake
or
or
editing
has been
I
done. I will make sure that everything is good.
And the
And
next
the next thing is I am going to export the video and go back to the next step.
I'm going to export it right now. So I will click on here. I'll click on here. So I'm never done with the video. I'll click on here. When I click on here, I will select this revolution here. this resolution here, I will select 702, 720. So 720, and I will click export. I'll click export. And when I click export, and the third step we are going to talk about is called enhancing your audio, which is where I will take my video or my audio to this is where I will convert my video into audio, and I will take them to a website called enhance.podcast.com, and I will upload my audio, and I will stay wait for a while, and I will let the AI do the job, remove the background, turn it into professional studio work. So, and then I will bring the audio back to my InShot and then overlay it, and then work, and then I export my video. So I'm going to teach you step by step how to do it. So without wasting our time, let's get right into the. Now that my video has been exported, the next thing to do is to go to what is it called, Audio Lab, and convert it to audio, which I am going to do right here. So I will go to Audio Lab. I will go to Audio Lab, and when I enter Audio Lab, I will select multi-video to audio. You can see right here. You can see here. So I will select multi-video to audio, and I will select that the same video that I do what? That I recorded. You understand? That I export. So when I select it, I will press here. I'll press here. And when I press here, I will not press save. So when I press save, it will load. Now it's calculating how much remain, and boom, I have converted it into audio. Now the next thing to do, if you carry this audio now to enhandpodcast.com, where we are going to convert it to professional studio voice, studio sound, whereby there will be no noise. It will turn it into professional this thing. There will be no noise. So in order to, if I carry that one go now, it won't work because it is AA. So the next thing to do is I'm going to convert this thing to what is it called, to MP3. You understand? I'm going to, so I will come to convert main plenty. So when I come to convert, you can see AAC. That is the format. I will press that one, and when I press it, I will press this OK also, and I will click, and I will press save. You can see the format now. MP3, you have AA, we have WAV, we have MP4. So I'll click on save. So, and that thing is loading, and it's loading, and boom, it has been converted to MP3. And now the next thing to do is to go to the website called enhance.podcast. So that is the next thing to do. So we are going to enhance.podcast. 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 You can see it here. Here is it, enhance.podcast. So when I press that enhance.podcast, it will bring me to, when it brings me to this page, what I have to do is to upload that audio and then wait for AI to do the work and then download it back. So I will click on choose file. You can see I will click on choose file. So when I click on choose file, I will click on download. I will press download, and when I press download, I will come here. Here, and when I press that place, I'll press audio. You can see audio here. I'll press audio, and when I press audio, I'll press Audio Lab, and when I press Audio Lab, I'll press convert. You can see I'll press convert, and when I press convert, I will look for the video that I just exported, and the audio that I just convert, which is this one here. I will press it, and when I press it, I will wait for AI to do the work. Right now it's uploading the video, it's uploading the audio, and it will take a while. So right now it's processing the file. You can see processing your file. So what I will do, I will play you how the normal sound look like and how the professional sound look like, so you will know the difference between the two. So it's still enhancing now, it's still enhancing, and boom, our our audio has been has been generated. So all we have to do is to download our file, and you will see download here at up here. So, and when you download your file, when we click on download, it will download. Okay, so when we download, this is where you will find out. The next step is to go to your, what is it called, is to go to your InShots, and when you get to your InShot, you say video, and you look for that video. Then you bring that what is it called, the one that you downloaded from podcast and other podcast. You clip all this one, you mute all this one. You can see, you can see that let me, you can see that they are not talking now. I have muted all the video I have muted them, they are not talking. So all I will just do, I will come to audio here, and when I get to that audio, I will press music, and when I press music, I will look for the music that I just downloaded. So in order to not to get confused, you may just rename it, and this is the audio here. So I will, when I press that, there are 4 to 5 stages that my video went through before it get published on YouTube. You can get in this video today. I'm going to teach you how my video goes to what my video goes. And when I press my plus, and boom, it come here. I can just increase the volume. So, and when I increase the volume, and I play, guys, there are 4 to 5 stages that my video went through before it get published on YouTube, and you watch it. And this video today, and you can see that this video here, it actually don't have problem anymore. So I can just add subscribe button and this thing, and export it on what is it called, on 108. Always export your video on 1080p, not on 700. So always export your video on 108, on 1080, so 1880. So I can just upload this video and export this video now on, there are 4 to 4 what is it called, my video went through on publish on YouTube, and I will just go and do a video today, and I will just go so I can just export this video now, and I can just go and upload the video. So that is about that. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to design thumbnail on your phone with Pixel Lab, and how to generate with AI. So that is what we are going to say. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting our time, and as always, there are 4 to 5 stages that my video went through before it get published on YouTube, and you watch it. And this video, there are 4 to 5 stages that my video went through before it get published on YouTube, and you watch it. And this video today, I'm going to teach you step